If it's a curly hair, it has to pop. If it's curly, let's make it wet. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faustina and this is Tinastube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I turn this wig into something spectacular. Okay, I've come to show you how to achieve that wet look for your hair, for your curly hair. And I washed this hair because it was really bad. I've been wearing it over and over and I decided to wash it. So after washing it, it's looking very dry. I don't like how it's looking. Okay, I don't like how it's looking, so I'm going to use some products to revitalize the hair. Okay, so please stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will know about it. Okay, so let's get right into this video. All right, so I'm going to first of all start sectioning the hair. Okay, it's looking very dry, and I'm going to use this product, Cantu coconut oil. I'm going to first of all use this, and I have a mixture of water in there. I'm going to use it to damp the whole hair wet. Okay, so let's get right into it. I'm first of all going to comb it out to detangle. Sometimes it's very difficult to detangle the hair whilst it's dry, but I want to see the volume. Okay, I want to show you the volume. So I will detangle this part whilst it's dry, and I will detangle this section after I wet it. Okay, so because I've seen so many methods, some people detangle before they wet, some people wet it before they detangle. So I'm going to detangle this place first and wet it, and then I'm going to wet this part first before I detangle. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So keep your eye on the two method. Okay, so after this video, whichever works for you, you can go with it. But when you comb it out, you get so much volume. I didn't know this hair has so much volume like that. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. When you comb it out, you get so much volume for the hair. And this part, yeah, because I've seen so many videos, you know, some people detangle first before they wet it, others wet it before they detangle. So let's keep north and south, east and west, we, west and east. Okay, so we, W-E, so west and east. Okay, so we are going to keep west like this, and we are going to keep east like this. Okay, so I'm going to go over with my coconut oil. It's a little coconut oil but more water, okay, because it's a natural hair and you would want to treat your natural weave on just like you would treat your natural hair. Okay, so let's see how it goes.
Picture why they be tracing ya, landing in all type of nations. Can't get enough of your love, girl. You been so patient. We started off in the basement, now we up out of space again. Number one is the place we in.
Okay, and I think the reason why it's good to use coconut oil is that it contains a little oil. Okay, so in as much as you are keeping the hair hydrated,
it's a mill at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't bend. If you do, don't cry, we been now. So let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done.
okay, it's popping already. I don't want to make it so wet. Getting here, although it's wet, I'm afraid I may not get the same volume for this side. But you can see it's already popping. It's coming out live. It's coming alive. So yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to apply it. I'm going to apply the water on this side. So I didn't detangle this session. I only detangled this session, and I'm loving how it's giving me volume. Because I combed it out, the hair was very full, and after I added the water, the coconut oil, you see, you can even see the color coming up, because this part looks very dry and this part looks very wet and shiny. So I've seen a lot of people use water, but I prefer to go with the coconut water by Kentu. So I'm loving it already. Okay, so let me go ahead and wet this part.
In the night, stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, we just fine. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, whatever you like. Oh my mind, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine. You just need you a vacation. You just need you a vacation.
I think I'm loving how this one is popping. I didn't put a lot of water in this area, but this side I think I have to add more water.
Lady, come in, let me tell you.
Okay, guys, so I think it's all the same. It's all looking the same. I don't see much difference in the hair. Okay, so yeah, this part is really wet. So let's see the curl pattern for this side. Okay, and this side. I'm still loving this part, so I will detangle before wetting it. Okay, so I'm going to use the Define and Shine Custard. Okay, and we use this for our natural hair, and because this wig is a natural wig, any product you can apply to your natural hair you can also apply. I'm using this custard because I don't want to use the Eco Styling Gel. So this custard is both moisturizer and a styling gel. You all know what the custard does, okay? This is how I like how it feels. If you have a natural hair and you always put custard, it's always makes it pop, especially with the curls. So yeah, I will not be using the Eco Styling Gel. I'll be using the Cantu Curl Enhancing Custard, okay? Very slimy, but it's magical. It does so much to the hair. So this is it, okay? I'm going to apply a good amount.
Lady, come in, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to.
If this custard was food, I would have ate it. Okay, so these are the only two products I'm using. Okay, so instead of using a styling gel and then using a moisturizer, I decided to use the custard because the custard has that styling gel feel, and it's a moisturizer. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Okay, this is it. I don't want to add any more products to the hair. So these are the only two: your coconut oil and your custard, Define and Shine Custard, all from Kentu. So yeah, these are the two products I used. Let me just show it to you. Can you see? Yeah, You can see. Yeah, very easy. No complication. No complication whatsoever. Okay, so you don't need all those curled. Please make do with whatever you have at home. Okay, even if it's just water and moisturizer, use it. Use it. Okay, we are in difficult times and we don't want to be buying things anytime we see someone review something, you know, with a specific product. We don't want to be rushing to get the same thing, okay, when we can actually when we can actually improvise. Okay, some products you need to get the same definition. Sometimes too you can actually improvise. So yep, this is it. I don't want it so wet, you know, to the point like I look like a bed. No, I want to remain human. I don't want to look like a bed.
People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything.
Okay,
my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip.
Very nice. Very cool. Very classy. I'm savage. Nasty, bougie, eggy. Echo. You just. Where am I? TikTok. I'm on TikTok, oh guys. Check me out, okay? I'm mostly having fun on TikTok with my son. Yeah, so you can style it after you are done wetting the hair. You can style it in so many different ways.
You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We paint the picture while they be tracing.
I'm just loving the way the hair is looking right now. It's looking really nice. And I like it if it's styled this way. I like it looking this way. Ow! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. It's your girl Tina. If you haven't subscribed at this point, you'll be missing out on a lot of fun. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Smash that notification bell like smash that notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified by YouTube and you know about it and you can join in this creativity and exposé. Mademoiselle, toujours, bonjour, au revoir, me love you, te amor, bye. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's a girl Tina. Bye.
All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't bend. If you do, don't cry, we been now. So let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, yeah, we just fine. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the